Alright, so today we're going to talk about area of parallelograms and triangles. And so what we're going to find out is that the areas can be found using just its base and its height of both of the figures. So area of a rectangle, a lot of us know this. The area is equal to base times height. So what's super important here is that you are able to count the squares in there. I would definitely suggest going and exploring this on GeoGebra. It is a cool little thing, and you can count all the squares there. Same thing with the area of a parallelogram. Area is going to be equal to base times height. And go ahead and explore this on GeoGebra. It's a cool activity. This video explains everything there is to know about parallelograms. So then we got to find the area of a parallelogram here. So what we're doing here is we know that it's just base times height. So all I have to do is label this my base. This is my height. And my area is going to be equal to that 8 times 7. Area is equal to 56. Now you have to be careful here because we need units. And so when we're doing the area and we're doing centimeters times centimeters, well, that becomes centimeters squared. So my area is equal to 56 centimeters squared.